So today I'm going to be making a low-carb hot chocolate pre-made mix that can also be made paleo and dairy-free. And stay tuned because at the end I also have a bonus video on how to make a keto and paleo hot chocolate using chocolate chips. And to see more recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time I post a new video. So this recipe can be whipped up in a matter of minutes. It only takes 3 ingredients and it's perfect to keep on hand if you're craving some chocolatey goodness or to give to your family and friends. So the first ingredient is cocoa powder, because you can't have hot chocolate without cocoa powder. Yes, this is a half cup.
You want it?
Yeah, put it in there.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, and the next ingredient is going to be powdered milk. And this, we're going to be using coconut powdered milk to keep it dairy-free, but you can use whichever one you prefer. And then we're going to be using powdered sugar. Ooh. And this is actually not sugar. It is powdered monk fruit allulose sweetener. It tastes just like sugar, it dissolves just like sugar, but it is low carb and is even paleo.
There's a lot of it too.
There's a lot of it. And I really prefer the allulose monk fruit blend, like I said, because it dissolves so well, it doesn't have an aftertaste. But actually the erythritol blends, they dissolve okay in this recipe without much of an aftertaste. So you can really use any keto powdered sweetener you like. And if you only have granulated sweetener, you can simply put some in a very dry blender and just whirl it up till it's powdered and then measure it out for the recipe. So can you believe that's the whole recipe?
No, I could probably even make this
Yeah.
unsupervised.
Okay, so we have our mix and we're just going to put it in a nice little container to keep it in. You want to stick it in there?
Yep.
And so whenever we're ready to drink hot chocolate, we just put... We should have got a funnel or something.
I can do it. I can do it.
Okay.
I just got to focus.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
So we're just going to put 2 tablespoons in with 3/4 cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons, they just have 2 net carbs. And I like to do half canned coconut milk. It adds just a few extra carbs, but it makes it extra rich and creamy. And just a splash of vanilla. Oh, wow.
Cooking is... It's messy.
It is. Nice. Okay, so do you want to try this?
Right now?
Well, we have to get some cups of milk.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
yes.
let's get some cups of milk and then we'll come try it. So usually we do 2 tablespoons per 3/4 cup, but I don't know if you can tell in the video, but these cups, they're extra large. They're really big. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons. I know.
That's going to be some good.
It's going to be some really good hot chocolate. And a little trick is to put the mix in first before the milk and then put the hot milk. Uh-oh. I think I'm at 3. This is 3. Okay. Okay.
That'll be mine.
I can't talk and do this at the same time. Yeah, so put the milk in. No, you put the mix in first and then pour the hot milk on top and then there won't be any kind of lumps. Okay, you want to pour it in?
Okay.
Okay.
I might stand
back. Yeah, it's hot. I did half full fat coconut milk and half unsweetened almond milk. That's good. So it'd be really rich and creamy. Yum.
This is all I have to do to have hot chocolate?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I think I'm going to...
Okay, let's stir it up. I'll just use my tablespoon here because I forgot to get a regular spoon. Okay, I'm going to put some coconut cream on top. Oh, do you want to put the coconut cream on top?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like shooting a gun.
Well, kind of, I guess. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's crazy.
You want a lot?
Yeah. Of course I want a lot. Okay. Oh, you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to just take my hands and sprinkle. I spilled it everywhere. Sprinkle a little bit of this on top.
Oh,
look how pretty.
Cool.
Okay.
Mine looks like a cloud.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it. I have cocoa powder everywhere, you guys. I'm sorry. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I think I have cream on my nose.
Yeah,
okay.
good.
If you get the chance to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. So now we're going to show you how to make a paleo and keto hot chocolate using chocolate chips. So all we're doing is we're heating up unsweetened almond milk and full fat canned coconut milk, because the coconut milk makes it extra thick and creamy. But if you're not dairy free, you can use heavy whipping cream. Okay, so now we have the milk, and let's just add chocolate chips. These are the Untitled chocolate chips. I like them because they're both dairy free and paleo, but you can use any chocolate chips that you like and that work for your diet. And so we're just going to melt these, and there's going to be tiny little bits of chocolate still left in the bottom, which I really love.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's really yummy. And so just as soon as this chocolate gets all melted, we're just going to add a little bit of vanilla. I think it's pretty much melted. These melted pretty fast. Okay, you're going to add some pure vanilla.
I just smell it.
Yeah, it smells good. Mm-hmm. And then you don't have to add sweetener, but you can add any kind of sweetener that you like. And, oh, that's too much. Let's just put maybe like a tablespoon or something. Yeah, that's probably good. However sweet you like your hot chocolate. Okay. This is just some powdered keto sweetener. I think it's a monk fruit allulose blend because it dissolves really well, but anything will work. And even for paleo, honey and maple syrup will work too, or coconut palm sugar. Oh yeah, and I forgot, in the previous recipe that we did when we did the mix, you can use powdered coconut palm sugar as well for paleo.
Nice, that's
important. It's very good.
Yes, this is a bonus.
I know.
Feature with commentary.
There's just so many variations. There's so many ways you can make delicious hot chocolate. Okay, so this is done. Let's try this one. Okay, so let's pour it in these giant white cups that I have. They're so big. I'm kind of too short to even see what I'm doing. Ooh, yummy.
Nice.
You want to put some whipped cream on them?
Oh, yes, I do.
I love whipped cream. This is actually coconut whipped cream. And I'll have a link to it over Caleb's left-hand shoulder up here. Oh, you got to shake it real good so it's not runny. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, wow. Okay. That's plenty for me.
Okay. Oh, and don't forget.
Oh, some cocoa powder to be pretty. So pretty.
That is awesome.
Extra touch. Okay, let's try.
Like art.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's hot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. I love it.
Yeah, this one is, this one's just a little bit more chocolatey than the other one, but I like it.
That's all I've had to eat today.
So all we did was we're heating up some unsweetened almond milk with some full fat canned coconut milk. And if you're not dairy free, you can use heavy whipping cream, but I use half and half. I use half almond milk and half coconut cream, not the half and half product. That was really confusing. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways.
Okay.
Okay.
And...
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Don't look weird.
I can't help it. Okay.
And to see more recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell alert. So the first ingredient is cocoa powder. We're going to be putting a half cup of cocoa.
Okay, can we stop? I gotta start that over.
What did he do?
I cracked my neck and it looked stupid, and I think you could probably hear it.
Okay.
I went like,
okay.
Idiot.